Oh, hello. My name is R.H. Wilhoit. You can call me Hollis for the week that we're going to be spending together. I am a professional actor here in Kansas City, wherever they'll hire me. But lately, I have been a theater educator, and that has become one of the great passions of my life. I'm so excited to share that passion with you all. Folks, we are going to be doing this exciting camp together called Out Loud. Create Your Own Play. It is the first time we have done this workshop, and what we're going to be doing together is we're going to be utilizing acting techniques, improv techniques to create a play from scratch. This play does not exist yet. I have no script. I have no idea what we're going to be doing, but I do know that it's going to be exciting. Playwriting is one of the passions of my life as well, so I'm excited to share that with you. Thank you so much for signing up for this new and exciting camp. You're going to be part of the beginning of something incredibly special. So take care. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll be seeing you soon. Bye-bye.